Want stress-free, stylish hair for long travel days? These looks keep you chic, comfy, and picture-ready over 50. 1. Low Sleek Ponytail. A timeless ponytail that stays neat and stylish. Perfect for women over 50 who want a polished yet travel-proof look. 2. Textured Bob. A short, effortless bob with texture adds volume and is easy to manage, ideal for fine hair on the go. 3. Loose Side Braid. Keeps hair controlled yet soft. Great for women with medium to long hair who want comfort and elegance while traveling. 4. Soft Waves. Natural waves that frame the face, perfect for mature women who want a youthful and relaxed travel vibe. 5. Classic Top Knot. A secure uptoe that works for all hair types, keeping hair off the neck and face during long journeys. 6. Shoulder Length Layers. Low-maintenance layers that flatter women over 50, offering movement and volume while staying easy to style. 7. Half-Up Twist. Adds shape while keeping hair partly tied. A great balance of style and practicality for busy travel days. 8. Messy Bun. Relaxed and chic, this bun works best for casual trips, giving mature women a carefree yet stylish edge. 9. Pixie Cut with Side Sweep. Short and fuss-free, perfect for confident women over 50 who want zero-maintenance hair on long travel days. 10. Smooth Blowout. A polished blowout that lasts for hours, perfect for women who prefer a sleek and sophisticated style when traveling. 11. Curly Bob. A short curly cut that adds fun and bounce, great for women with natural curls who want easy travel styling. 12. Braided Crown. Keeps hair elegant and away from the face, making it a stylish yet practical choice for mature travelers. 13. Straight Lob. A long bob styled sleek and straight. Timeless and easy to refresh after a long journey. 14. Scarf-Wrapped Bun. A chic bun accessorized with a scarf, protecting hair while adding a fashionable touch for women over 50. 15. Layered Shag. Modern and lightweight. This cut is versatile and travel-friendly, especially for women with thicker hair. 16. Low Chignon. Elegant and neat. This style works perfectly for classy women who want a timeless look for travel days. 17. Tousled Short Cut. Adds texture and movement, perfect for women over 50 who want an effortless, trendy short style while on the go. 18. Loose Ponytail with volume, soft and casual. This ponytail gives a youthful touch while keeping comfort and ease in mind. 19. Side-Swept Waves. Romantic and feminine, side-swept waves suit mature women who want to highlight face shape on travel days. 20. Short Curly Pixie. Playful and low maintenance, this style is ideal for women over 50 with natural curls who love easy travel hair. Don't forget to share your favorite style number in the comments.